Ah, I finally got one. With all of the sales going on, I finally got my hands on the Bambu Lab H2D printer with the AMS2 combo that I am so excited to finally put up. Thanks, Bambu Lab, for sponsoring me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Maybe someday. Follow me as I set this up and put it together. Already set up my little space over here where it should be going. Hopefully it's not gonna, I heard it's big, so hopefully it's not gonna be too crazy. So we'll see. We do not cut the tape. You want to keep the box. Steps right here. Pull to unlock the box clip fastener. Completely pull out the 4 box clip fasteners, and then just lift and remove the outer box. It shows 4 hands, but there's just going to be 2, so we'll see how that goes. Down here, that's not how I do it. Pull to unlock. Ouch. Okay, 1. Ouch, it hurts. Clip fastener. 2. All right, and so we have our quick start guide. I don't need this, just kidding. Our accessory box. Let's just see what's inside here. We have tools, and I will figure this is probably to hold a little filament thing. Let's see what else we got. Exactly sure what. Oh, this is just tubing. It looks like. Yeah, tubes, which you'll need for the AMS and all that other stuff. And little bead things, you know, the dryer beads. Set these off to the side. All right, so huge beast. Stickers. Oh my God, little stickers. So it has a little start guide to tell you how to remove it. All right. Take out the accessory box, remove the surrounding cardboard, foam, and tape. Now remove the stickers from the sides and top opening of the pre-moisture-proof bag. So here we have a team lift. Do I need a team lift? I'm sure if you're over a certain age, you might want a team lift for, you know, back support. You'll probably need a team lift. But let's see how heavy this thing is. So we're just going to carefully lift the printer out of the cardboard and moisture-proof bag and place it on a stable surface. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Ooh, this is heavy. Heavy. Oh my God, this is heavy. I do not recommend doing that. Ooh, ooh. There was a lot of stuff in here, so we will deal with that later. I mean, it's big. It's definitely big. It's definitely big. I think the AMS, yeah. Now we're going to remove the adhesive tapes and other packaging materials and then take out the top glass cover and set it aside. We're going to take out the top glass cover. And we'll set it aside. Okay, so there's the AMS. Accessory box, long grip H2 Allen car. And remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Little baby. It's a little baby. I'm gonna take so good care of you. Use the H2 Allen key to remove the 4 screws marked and run. Oh, down below. Then take out the fixture and the nearby foam, except the foam underneath the heat bed. Cut and remove 4 zip ties. Pull the tool head toward the front of the printer and then remove the foam piece marked in green. So here is a little turnout from the Panda. I accidentally switched the colors, but still, it did an amazing job. So I am very excited to finally get my hands on this printer. I cannot wait to print all the things, which I'm sure once you buy this printer, overwhelming feeling. A couple of things that I recommend, that if you are looking to get either this printer or the H2S, make sure to print your little poop chute that catches the filament in the back. Forgot to do that. It's not necessary, but because out of this print, it only pooped like 3 of those little ball filaments just in the beginning. So it doesn't produce a lot of filament, but depending on what you're printing, obviously the more colors, the more poop is going to get. So recommend definitely printing one of those filament catchers for the back. I'm not sure if it came with the SD card, but make sure you get a stick SD card for the top, because you cannot do the time-lapse feature without that, apparently, or it wouldn't let me without producing an external SD card. So that's why I didn't get a good time-lapse of this, but I mean, more time-lapses, more prints to come. So if you have purchased this printer or even the H2S and you have any tips, tricks, anything else to share, please feel free to do so in the comments. I would love to hear from you, especially since this printer has been around for a while now, about what, almost 8 months, 10 months or so. So obviously I am late to the game, but I am excited to be a part of it. And with that, I'm Eric Sauer with Sweet and Sour 3D. I'll catch you in the next one.